How to fix Windows 11 not responding to clicks. 1. Check your mouse connection. 2. Remove and replug your device into the PC. 3. Restart the Windows Explorer process. 4. Update the mouse driver. Recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Run hardware and devices troubleshooter, msdt.exe. ID device diagnostic. 6. Reconfigure mouse settings. 7. Check for Windows updates. 8. Run the DISM and SFC scan. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanup image/scan helpism/online/cleanup image/check helpism/online/cleanup image/restore health.